Imagine you are in a social media where you can connect, send, and share anything with your friends and family. You can use Facebook. Facebook is a social networking application where you can join and where you can participate, you're joining and all of that, and you can share your happiness with your friends and people. And meanwhile, you can also join other people. So it's about sharing, joining, reaching. In this class, you will learn everything about Facebook, starting with profile management, page management, group management, and business management. I mean how you can create posts and all of that. Is a business, Facebook Business Suite, new applications, and also you will learn ads management. And the cool part of this course begins when I am always available for you, answering your questions. Always be there for you. So what are you waiting for? Just get it started right now.